It's Sam. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun, the editor's box. My shirt and it totally match and I did not even plan that. The editor's box is a limited edition box for new members. So if you haven't already signed up for FabFitFun, then this is available to you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it today to share with you what is inside. I did partner up with FabFitFun for this video, so I have a coupon code for you guys. It'll save you $10 off, which makes the box $39.99 instead of $49.99. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal box that comes basically every season. It's $49.99 a month, but you can always find coupon codes. I always have coupon codes on my channel because I consistently do unboxings every season. So my coupon code is SAM. That will give you $10 off. Each box is always valued at over $200. They have a breakdown of what everything is worth inside of it. So shall we just go ahead and open it? I think we shall. It always comes in a really cute box, and the outside box always changes. So it's always different, which is kind of fun because it's always like something new to look forward to. Okay, so in this box, it's trying to, whoa. Oh god, I'm knocking everything off. Yikes. Okay. Anyway, it comes with a little pamphlet, and this is kind of cool. It's like a little newspaper. Normally it has a breakdown of everything that's in the box and how much it is, but I don't see it in this magazine. So maybe because it's an editor's edition, it doesn't have it in there. I don't think it does, at least I don't see it. So usually you always have a breakdown in like the actual seasonal boxes, but because this is an editor's box, it's slightly different. I know that they are always over $200 though, so you're always getting your money's worth, especially when you use that coupon code. The first thing I see is this fabulous little box, and it says Summer and Rose. The box is a very soft pink, and then it has gold. I already feel like it's gonna be amazing. Look how cute this little box is. I'm so excited. So let's see here. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, they're cute little earrings. And they're like little dangly ones. Let's get up nice and close so you guys can see. Aren't those cute? Oh my gosh, those are so fun. I love those. I've been looking for new like dangly earrings too. Oh my gosh, look how cute those are. I like those. They're like kind of like a statement earring, but they're very delicate still. They're not like, woo! Because like the hoops, I know sometimes people don't like hoops. I love hoops, they're my favorite. But if you're looking for something maybe a little bit more elegant, but still kind of edgy, those are really cute. I love those. Okay, so those are from Summer and Rose. Absolutely love those. Those are adorable. The next thing I see is the Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. This looks like it's a little eyeshadow palette, and do I need scissors? I've like had the worst luck with stabbing myself lately. I sliced my finger on a cheese grater. Pathetic, I know. But because it's right in the crack where it bends, it won't heal. So it keeps on recutting over and over again. So it's been really sore for like a couple of weeks now, and I just cannot get it to heal. Okay, so I've got the palette open. Oh, ooh. Yes, these are nice. Okay, so it comes with a big mirror, and then it has, what is that, 9 shades. Those are actually really pretty. They're all kind of like, very kind of like what my shirt is, like those mauve tones. They've got a really nice kind of like cool brown down here. This is like a little, what is that? It's like a dark, we'll just swatch. Okay, so first is Driven, which is like a nice cream. Then we have Limitless, which is like a really pretty soft kind of pinky shade. Then we have Invincible, which is like a matte kind of like mauve. It's like a mauve taupe. Then we have Bodacious, which is like a shimmer. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a shimmery kind of like, it's like a shimmery golden brown. Dazzling, which is like a shimmery taupe. This is actually, they feel very pigmented, and I love the colors because they're really nice for like this time of year. Indomitable, I don't know if I said that wrong. This is like a really nice kind of darker, like mauve burgundy. Then we have Awesome, which is like a shimmery mauve. Then Terrific is like a dark kind of warm brown with big sparkles of glitter. And then last but not least, we have Unshakable, which is like a very dark kind of cool, almost like a taupey khaki brown. But you can see how pigmented those are. Those are actually really nice. I'm very excited to try those out and see how they work. Plus I love the fact that it has that mirror, and it is a very convenient little packaging. This is the Makeup Drop Silicone Makeup Applicator. So this is like those little, what are those sponges? Silly sponge or whatever. Oops, just went flying out. Okay. I've never actually tried one of these to apply my makeup. So if you guys want like an actual video of me using this to apply my makeup, then let me know because I'm actually really interested. Next is the Sponge Gel Bulgarian Rose Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Butter. It's a really pretty packaging. It's like bright pink and gold. And it's a body wash and a buffer. Dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Oh, cool. So it's one of those sponges that actually have all the stuff inside of it. So all you, wow, it smells really strong. It's really, really fragrant of rose, but not like the rose that's like super rosy, dusty rose. It's like almost like a more sweet rose, if that makes sense. But these are nice because then you can just get them wet and you can just use it. So I'm excited for that because then you don't have to like, you know, squirt your body wash and get a sponge and all that. It's all in one. Okay, so next we have the Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt. I honestly don't ever take baths, hardly ever. I mean, it's like maybe twice a year type situation, maybe 3 times a year. These are a muscle soak. It's supposed to stimulate circulation, creates warmth, and soothes sore muscles with black pepper, essential oil, and Himalayan salt. It's got patchouli and Atlas cedarwood oils to provide a warming, deep spice scent. It does smell actually really nice. They're kind of like little pink salts. I thought it was going to smell more manly because of the patchouli and the cedarwood, but it's actually, it's a decent balance. Maybe if I ever feel sore, then I'll try those babies out. We have the Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask Intense Treatment. This is paraben-free, sulfate-free, flylight-free, D&T-free, don't know what that is, petrochemical-free, cruelty-free, and Leaping Bunny certified, which is always nice. This one is supposed to boost skin moisture. It's got capuaku butter, mango butter, and salvia scalaria extract. Reduces appearance of fine lines. It's got organic rose hip fruit extract, citrus australasica fruit extract, and organic safflower oil. And then it's also supposed to reduce the appearance of inflammation with green tea leaf extract, mimosa flower extract, and lotus corniculatus flower extract. To Google all those names would take me forever, so I'm sorry if I butchered them all. Again, nice packaging. It's just plain white. It's got the rose gold little band. And again, oh, I love that. You know when they have all of the like how to use it and all the like benefits on the box, and then you get the packaging, there's nothing on there, and you don't want to keep the box around because that's annoying in your like storage. This has everything on the back, so it has exactly how to use it, and then also all of the benefits. So I can just toss the box, and I missed. So apparently you're supposed to apply a quarter size amount to skin, leave on, relax, and enjoy, and then rinse with warm water. It doesn't say how long to leave it on for, but I feel like whenever you use masks, it's pretty much, oh, it's white. That's weird. It just comes out like white. It's almost like a cream. How interesting. Oh, it's like a pump. Okay, so I thought this was going to be more of like a clay mask, but maybe it's just like a more moisturizing mask, and then the only thing, I would have to probably look on the website how long you're supposed to leave it on for because it doesn't say. It does smell very nice, very soft floral, but kind of sweet. Then we have a Private Party. Don't know what this is, so we're just gonna open it up and see. Oh, okay, it's a little workout bag. It says, "We'll work out for cupcakes." Haha, that's pretty much fitting for me. That's a nice little denim workout bag. It's very long, so it looks like you could fit a yoga mat in there really nicely. We have the Mercy Always by the Sea Cozy Wrap. Travel well, travel often, travel light. This is a really pretty kind of like sea foamy, kind of greenish blue. This is the softest. Wait, do I have this already? I might actually have this one. I can't remember if I do. Oh, I do. Okay, yes, I think I have this one already from a previous FabFitFun, and it's honestly the softest, most cozy little wrap. So it's got the fringe, which is really nice because it's just really just, I don't know, adds a little bit of something special. And then it's like the most soft material ever. So this is really, really nice actually if you are going to be wearing like a fancy dress, because you can use it as a nice little like shawl kind of thing, or you can always just cozy up with it on the couch if you're like having a little you know, watching show day. Or you can also add this to the foot of your bed because it is quite long and it has that fringe. So they will add a little bit of kind of cozy detailing with a tiny bit of pop of color because it does have that really pretty kind of bluish greenish shade. And it is honestly so cozy. Like I would probably just have this on the couch actually. So yes, now I've got two. I'm pretty sure I got this one. If you guys have watched all my FabFitFun unboxings, then you might know more than I do because I have a terrible memory, but it is very, very cozy. It's so soft. I hope you guys liked my unboxing of the editor's box. Again, this is a limited edition for new members, so if you haven't already signed up for FabFitFun, then definitely take advantage and get that box. Like I said, it's seasonal, so it comes winter, spring, summer, fall. So obviously the next box will be the spring box. I just did the winter box, so I will leave that link down below. I'll leave a few of the last ones linked down below because I believe I've done one for every season. That way you guys have an idea of like what you can expect if you haven't already gotten this box, or if you're new to my channel and haven't ever seen a FabFitFun unboxing from me, then you can at least kind of check them out and see what you think as far as, you know, the quality of the products that come in. I'm always really happy with my FabFitFun. It's my favorite subscription box because it's a nice mix of lifestyle as well as beauty. They have skincare products, they have beauty products, they always have some kind of like lifestyle, whether it's a candle or something to like work out, or like that little kind of wrap where it's like fashion but kind of like homey as well. So it's a really nice mixture if you're not just into like a complete straight up beauty box. This would be a really great option for you. Plus it's seasonal, so it's only $39.99 if you use my coupon code every season, which really, if you break that down, is not very much at all monthly. And then it's kind of just a nice little surprise every few months, and then it's always geared towards that season. So like the next spring one will be geared towards more springy stuff. I've never been disappointed with a box yet, so I highly recommend it. If you're gonna do any subscription box, I would absolutely do FabFitFun because they always come through. Never disappoint. I hope you guys found this helpful. Again, don't forget to use my coupon code. It is SAM. That will save you $10 off your box, bringing it down to $39.99. I will see you guys on Monday.